So what we're going to do is, this is the Viblast guys from Bulgaria, so we're going to run through a video of what they did, and then we're going to use Google Hangouts for some Q&A. So I'll start the video.
Hello everybody, my name is Svetlin from Viblast, and today we'll be talking about online video. So, if you want to stream video over the internet, you have one big problem, and that is peaks. A peak in viewership results in a peak in traffic, and this leads to a peak in problems and a lot of unhappy viewers. So, is there a bad way? Of course there is. It's called Viblast. Viblast is technology that uses WebRTC, and specifically the WebRTC data channel, to deliver video over the internet in a more efficient, smarter way by connecting viewers that are watching the same content together in a peer-to-peer fashion. Viblast solves the problem of the peaks. Actually, the more viewers connect, the better. It also reduces bandwidth costs. We've achieved in real-world scenarios reductions of up to 70 or 80%, and it improves the quality of experience for the end user. Viblast is targeted at over-the-top video providers, video broadcasters, content delivery networks, pretty much anyone who has a lot of video and wants to distribute it over the internet to large audiences. So let's now let's see Viblast in action. This is our demo page. You can find it on our website. You can play with it. Here we have a simple stream. But I want to point your attention to this number over here. It represents the amount of traffic that has been downloaded from the P2P network compared to the traffic downloaded from centralized infrastructure. This number represents the efficiency of the P2P network. So in this particular case, we've saved more than 74%. This is how it looks from the end user perspective, but now let's see how it looks from the peer-to-peer perspective. This is a swarm of viewers. They are all watching the same content. They download some of the tunes from the centralized infrastructure represented by the yellow lines and download some of it among themselves represented by the blue lines. This particular video has 4 video qualities represented by these 4 colors. Let's now look at viewer 22. This viewer is what we call a lonely viewer or a lonely peer. It uses a non-WebRTC capable browser and cannot connect to any other viewer. Let's imagine now that a new viewer wants to watch the same content. It comes along, this is viewer 23. It connects not only to the centralized infrastructure but to all the other viewers and immediately starts sharing some of the content. This is represented by the multitude of blue lines. Now let's quickly return to the demo page. You can find the same graphic over here at the bottom. You can play with it, you can start many more views, see how it reacts. From everyone on Viblast, thank you.
Okay, then moving over. Here we go. How do I get this full screen? There you go. Oh, Svetlin, can you hear us now?
Yes, I can. Can you hear me?
Yep, you're coming through loud and clear. So I know it's hard to see given the camera, but we've got some of the judges here, so you can see them waving. So, any questions for Svetlin?
Yeah, how do you choose the peers? How do the peers get selected?
Can you hear that?
Yeah, I can.
Okay.
When two peers connect, they exchange some messages, and the rate of exchange is used as a kind of metric to determine the initial bandwidth between the two peers. And then, when the actual video transfer goes on, the bandwidth is constantly measured and is fed back to the main loop that determines which peers are the best for each video segment. Does this answer your question?
Yes, thank you.
Matt, go for it.
So I was just trying to understand which bit of the system is the hack, because Viblast itself is what you showed, right? It's a peer-to-peer CDN. Was it the swarm visualization that's new for TADHack, or was there a particular feature? Or?
Yeah, what we do is both showcases and some hacks.
Okay.
So this is a showcase. It's labelled as a showcase. So this is just judged in terms of more on the commercial side than the originality.
That makes a lot more sense. Okay.
Okay. Any other questions? James at the back?
Yeah, is there a way of doing this using sort of old-fashioned stuff like Akamai things that cache your stuff at the this? Why is this
Okay.
commercially cool?
Did you hear that question, Svetlin?
No.
How can this
Not
be?
at all.
Can this be done using more traditional mechanisms like Akamai and other edge? And how does this differentiate from other CDN approaches?
Yep. What Viblast does is it does not replace the traditional CDN model. It enhances it. It is built on top of it, and the traditional methods like Akamai and some of the traditional CDNs, they require a lot of infrastructure, and infrastructure is very expensive. It takes a lot of time to build it. And with Viblast, you can achieve very good results in a very short time and without huge investment. So just to repeat, it enhances traditional infrastructure and traditional methods. It does not replace them.
That's clear. Thanks so much, Svetlin. So with that, let's do appreciation for excellent showcase. Thank you, Svetlin.